Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday Tutorials. Today's pose is Lateral Arch pose, which is in Sanskrit Ardha Katti Chakrasana. Is really good to cleanse your liver and your kidney, and also if you have any blockages in your lung, anyone with breathing issues, it's really good, and also good to lose weight. So there's that plus. So I will demonstrate how, she will demonstrate how it's going to be done and how it should not be done. Right. Also again, please do warm up your joints before trying any of these yoga poses. Right. So we're going to come into a mountain pose. So that's that. Right. And you're going to pick one point, think about the benefits, connect with your breath. Then you're going to raise your right hand all the way up. That's it. And you're going to make a fist and pull it upwards. So until here, it will be inhale, raise up. Right. Then exhale here. Then inhale, straighten your hands. That's it. Exhale, and you're going to bend towards the other side. That's it. And you'll be gazing towards that side, right? Then after you're done, after say 10 seconds and you're comfortable, then you're slowly going to gaze towards the other side, right? And we're going to try to bring the upper arm, can you see? Upper arm and ear like that. And you're going to bend your hands. So while you're here, you're going to breathe normally. And if you're feeling it is a little tough, then you can do 10 seconds, 5 seconds and improve. Then when you're coming out, inhale, hands up. You're going to make that fist again. Pull it up, up, up. Then release those hands, the fingers. Inhale, exhale, hands all the way down. That's it. So I will show you in the other side how you should not be doing it. So you're going to inhale, hands up the same way, fist up, up, up. The reason I'll explain the fist up is you're going to elongate your spine up first. That way you can bend even more, right? So then you're going to straighten your fingers, inhale, exhale. When you're bending, sometimes people tend to bend forward like that. So this is wrong because what we're trying to do is bend the side. And if your kidney and your liver needs to be mobilized, this is not going to help. So make sure, like we did before, that it is upper arm and ear together, and then you're elongating this side, right? Then when you're coming out, go the same way. That's it. Pull up, up, up. Then inhale, exhale, go with the breath, hands all the way down, and as usual, hands apart, feet apart, and you're going to deep breathe. And while you're deep breathing, you're relaxing those areas you felt that, exerted a little more maybe, or any area that was stimulated, and think about the benefits. Connect with your breath, and done. So please make sure that you do the pose the same way that we demonstrated, and also that you cool down after each pose. It's really important. So if you have any questions, please comment below or send me a DM, and I will see you next Tuesday. Bye for now.